Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing the AMC 2010 problem 23. The problem reads, semicircles POQ and ROS pass through the center O. What is the ratio of combined areas of the two semicircles to the area of circle O? So we have to find the ratio of the combined areas of the two semicircles, and we have to relate that to the area of circle O. Okay. So the first step we can find is area of semicircles. And we know that they're identical semicircles because they have exactly the same radius, and they're just flipped over by the y-axis. So what I mean by we can arrange them together is that we can contain them together to make a circle that has, because they're the same identical with the same diameter. So you can just flip them over and you have a circle. So that's the idea here. So in our case, we're trying to make a circle. Sorry about that. And then we have to make a circle that has a diameter of one of the diameters of circles here, because these are each 1/2 of that. Okay, so the diameter of this is the difference in the x coordinates, and that's 2. It's the same here. So that means each of the radiuses must be 1. So we know that the diameter here is 2, and each of the radius is 1. And we know the formula, pi r squared, to find the area. And it's pi times 1 squared, that equals to pi. And that's the area of the semicircles, both of them. Now let's move on to find the area of the circle, and that's going to be part 2. Okay, so to find the area, we first need the radius, because as in the formula, pi r squared. Step 2 is going to be to find the area of circle, and the area of the circle is pi r squared, and we need to find the radius in order to find the area of the circle. So we can draw in a radius. For example, you can choose a vertex and draw a line. We can just take R for example, and draw a line from R to O, and that will be our radius. And to find the radius, we can draw 2 lines right here. It'll be a right triangle because it's between where x and y axis intersect. And this will be 1 because that's essentially the radius of the semicircle. Also, it's a difference in the y coordinates, and here it's also the radius, and it's also the difference, but it's all the difference in the x coordinates. And using the Pythagorean theorem, we get 1 squared plus 1 squared equals to c squared. So c must be equal to 2. So c is square root of 2. So c is the square root of 2. So this is the square root of 2. Just bring this up. Okay, and then now we know we need to use pi r squared, which is the area formula. So it's pi times the square root of 2 squared, and that's equal to 2 pi. So now I have to find the ratio of both of them. So I have to find the ratio of the two semicircles area and the area of the circle. So the semicircles area is 2 pi, and we're relating that to pi. So it's pi is to 2 pi, because it's the area of the semicircles is to the area of the circle, and the area of the semicircles is pi, and area of the circle is 2 pi, right? And so it's pi is to 2 pi, and that simplifies to this fraction, and that canceling the pi's gives us 1/2 as our final answer. So our answer overall is which is 1/2. Thank you for listening and watching, and I hope you understand this video. And if you didn't understand anything in the video, please feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. And please like the video and subscribe if you learned something new. Thank you for watching, and keep mathing.